Good morning everyone. Today my group will be presenting our Business of Management assignment based on our chosen company, which is Ford Motor Company. Our group consists of 5 members, which are EVERLYN PHUAH, DHIA IRDEENA, AHMAD ZAIM, Aleya, ELYANA and CHOONG. I, DHIA, will begin our presentation by introducing Ford Motor Company and explaining the background of our study. Ford Motor Company is one of the most established automotive manufacturers in the world. It was founded in 1903 by Henry Ford and is well known for transforming the automotive industry through the introduction of the assembly line system, which also made mass production possible. Because of this innovation, Ford was able to produce vehicles more efficiently and at a lower cost, making cars more accessible to the public. The main purpose of this project is to analyze Ford's management practices and to understand how these practices help the company maintain strong performance and competitiveness in the global market. The objectives of this project are firstly to analyze Ford's management strategies. Secondly, we aim to identify the factors that influence the company's performance. Other than that, we apply management tools to assess Ford's operation and evaluate the company's competitive advantage. Lastly, this project allows us to reflect on the lessons that can be learned from Ford as a global organization. Next, in terms of company background, Ford is an American multinational automaker headquartered in Dearborn, Michigan. The company designs and manufactures cars, trucks, SUVs, and electric vehicles. Ford operates in more than 100 countries worldwide and employs over 170,000 employees, highlighting its strong global presence. Its main brands are Ford and Lincoln, which are widely recognized around the world. Moving on to Ford's mission and vision. Ford's mission is to build a better world where every person is free to move and pursue their dream. This mission shows Ford's commitment to mobility, innovation, and improving people's quality of life. However, Ford's vision is to become the most trusted company designing smart vehicles for a smart world, which reflects the company's focus on trust, advanced technology, and future-ready solutions. Lastly, I will explain Ford's competitive advantage. Ford's competitive advantage comes from several key strengths. First, Ford emphasizes technological innovation, especially in the development of electric vehicles and autonomous driving technology. Secondly, Ford has a strong brand image and high customer loyalty, built through more than a century of experience in the automotive industry. Furthermore, Ford benefits from an efficient global manufacturing and supply chain system, which also helps ensure consistent quality and cost efficiency. Finally, Ford is strongly committed to sustainability, including efforts to achieve carbon neutral goals, allowing the company to remain competitive in a rapidly evolving automotive market. That concludes my part of the presentation. Now I will pass the presentation to the next speaker. Thank you.
Okay, hi. My name is AHMAD ZAIM. Today I will present about rules and governing factors in firm's performance. Okay, company performance is crucial for productivity and long-term success. Performance is influenced by workplace environment, leadership style, skills and workload, employee motivation, financial incentive, comfortable workplace, and recognition improve productivity. Lastly is Ford continuously improve performance across all levels and departments. Next, we move on to who is responsible. Performance management involves multiple levels in Ford. Everyone contributes, is top management, managers, and operational employees. The goals is to ensure competitiveness and to improve efficiency and quality. And last but not least, I'll present about why is performance governance is important. It is because to stay competitive in the EV market, to maintain product quality. The next one is to reduce recalls. The lastly is to improve customer satisfaction and loyalty. That's all for me.
My name is YUAN. I will be presenting the identified problem faced by Ford. First, Ford identified problem through internal data and performance monitoring. Ford used a quality operating system, also known as QoS, to collect data such as warranty claims, customer complaints, and safety issues. By analyzing this data, manager can identify quality gaps, operational inefficiency, and recurring defect area before they become serious problem. Secondly, First, use customer and market feedback to identify issues and opportunities. These include warranty report, service record, customer survey, and digital feedback. Through this feedback, Ford can improve customer satisfactions and loyalty, and also understand market trends, especially competitions in electric vehicle. Next, competitive benchmarking help Ford compare itself with competitors. By doing this, Ford can identify winners such as higher production costs and slower adoption of EV technology. This helps Ford understand where it needs to improve to remain competitive. Lastly, Ford use risk and forecasting system to identify potential problem early. This system helps management monitor supply chain risks, demand fluctuations, financial risks, and regulatory or environmental risks. This allows Ford to take preventive action before problem becomes serious. After identifying the problem faced by Ford, the next part explains how Ford's management practice help improve performance. Ford improve performance through strategy planning. One example is the Ford Plus plan, which focuses on electrifications, technology, software, and supply chain. This helps Ford improve long-term competitiveness and adapt to future market changes. Next, Ford improve performance through data-driven decision-making. Ford use structured decision-making tools such as monthly business review, quality review boards, and financial modeling. By using data and scenario planning, especially for EV demand and supply chain risk, Ford can make better and more accurate decisions. In addition, communications and collaborations play an important role in improving Ford's performance. Ford conduct daily stand-up meetings and use global digital platforms to connect engineering, design, and operation teams. This improved coordination, speeds up problem solving, and encourages employees to share ideas with management. Ford also focuses on a continuous improvement culture. The company applied Six Sigma, lean manufacturing, and root cause analysis such as the 5 ways and fishbone diagram. This method helps reduce defects, improve product quality, and increase operational efficiency. Finally, leadership and organizational values help improve performance. Ford's leadership and precise innovations, customer-centric design, ethical manufacturing, and employee safety and development. This value create a strong organization's culture and support long-term business sustainability. Now I will pass to my group member Machi.
Thank you, Evelyn. Now I will continue the part of applying management tool and method. Management is the external process of getting individuals to work together toward organization goals. Today, I will explain how STAC Ford Malaysia applies the 4 management functions: is planning, organizing, leading, and controlling to maintain its competitive edge in the automotive industry. In the planning phase, Ford used SWOT analysis to navigate a complex market. Their strength lies in a powerful brand image, with flagship models like the Ranger Raptor dominating the pickup and SUV segments. However, they face weakness regarding global product recalls, which challenges customer trust. To counter this, Ford is evaluating opportunities in Malaysia's rising demands for electric vehicles. By forecasting these trends and analyzing competitors like Toyota and Isuzu, Ford develops strategic action plans to ensure their products remain innovation and accessible. Next is organizing. Ford used a clear 3-layer management pyramid to distribute human resources effectively. Top management established the long-range vision and policy. Middle managers coordinate the strategy. First-line managers supervises non-managerial employees to implement these plans. These structures clarify duties and responsibilities, which directly boost productivity. productivity, improves logistics, and allows the company to address operational challenges with greater flexibility. Moving to leading, Ford focus on influence rather than just command. By implementing employee development programs and internal best practices, they foster a motivated workforce. This leadership ensures that employees are not just doing their jobs, but are actively inspired to contribute to Ford's long-term growth and market leadership. Finally, controlling acts as the final check. Ford's internal control machines evaluate programs against their original goals. This allows them to detect risks early and take corrective action if results deviate from expectations. In conclusion, the PHUAH framework provides SDAC Ford Malaysia with the discipline to turn strategic goals into operational excellence. This is all my part. Now I will pass to the next presenter.
My name is ELYANA binti AGUSTAN, and I will continue with the conclusion. In conclusion, Ford's competitive advantage comes from its strong branding, advanced technology, and efficient global manufacturing system. This strength helped Ford remain competitive in highly challenging EV market. However, Ford also faces several management challenges such as vehicle recall, high production costs, and intense competition, which require continuous strategic improvement. Through the application of the POLC framework, we can see that Ford Malaysia use structured planning tools like SWOT analysis, forecasting, and clear goal setting to guide decision making. Lastly, Ford organizing and leadership practice focus on a clear management hierarchy and employee-centered initiative, which help strengthen workplace culture and overall performance. That's all from us. Thank you.